Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to install apps on your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So first thing first, open App Store, click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then let's try to install an app. So let's see, Duolingo app. Okay, click on that, then click get. Also you can use search, click on that search button right here, and in the search bar typing Duolingo and go search. And then when you find the app, click on that, then click get, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID or password from your Apple ID account. So it's almost done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.